Today is part 7 of hairstyles you can do with a satin scrunchie. Today we are actually going to use 2 satin scrunchies, and I know these don't match. They're the 2 I have sitting on my vanity, so we're going to use them. Don't come for me because they don't match. I'm not going to wear my hair like this today. It doesn't really matter what color they are for the purposes of this video. You can pick whatever color you want to wear today. Someone asked me how many parts is this series going to have, and I don't know. I don't know until I stop thinking up hairstyles that can be done with a satin scrunchie. That's how long it's going to go. So we'll see how many parts it ends up being, but right now we are on part 7. So this one, obviously we have 2 scrunchies, is obviously going to be a space bun style. So I'm going to part my hair down the middle. My hair is clean, freshly washed. It does have volumizing spray in it. You might find it easier to do this style if you have a little bit of texturizing powder. This is the Design Me Puff Me volumizing powder. It will help your hair hold the style a little better. I am not going to put that in my hair today because I do want to wear my hair down after I film this, and I don't particularly like that product when my hair is down and straight, but if I was going to wear it up, I would definitely add it. Then I'm going to extend my part all the way down the back of my head. Now, again, I'm not going to wear this style all day, so I'm not going to worry too much about what the back looks like. But if I was going to wear this style all day today, I would absolutely check that the back part is straight before I finished my hairstyle. Otherwise, if you check once you're done and the back looks ridiculous, you have to start all over. But honestly, I'm not going to keep it in after this video, so I don't care. So we're just going to do one side at a time. I'm going to grab all the hair from one side. I'm going to pull that up. We'll leave a little bit of the bang out. You don't have to leave the bang out. That is personal preference. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. More likely to leave the bangs out when my hair is clean. I'm just gonna take my hair, my little ponytail, my hand with the scrunchie, and I'm gonna start to pull it over. I'm gonna do it 3 times, and on the 3rd time, I'm just gonna create a little guy, and I'm just gonna fluff and pull that hair, and then I'm gonna loosen my base, and then I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing. Now, I get a really mixed bag of comments every time I do a messy bun, space bun style, because a lot of people are like, nope, that's for little kids, or I'm way too old for that. Look, I'm almost 40, okay? There is no age limit on wearing space buns. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, don't wear it. Whatever makes you feel good, and nothing wrong with not liking a style for your hair, but also nothing wrong with wearing any style at any age that makes you feel good. All right, I just redid that one because I did not like the way it was sitting. Always making sure that when I fluff and pull my bun apart, I'm pulling towards the front as well as side to side, not just side to side. So there we go. Fluff up this base actually. So these are super floppy buns, okay? Super floppy. They will be a little more structured if you use texture powder. Not necessarily more structured, but they're gonna stay. If you don't have texture powder, they're gonna flop. The reason I like a floppy bun sometimes is it reminds me of a pigtail. Okay, this is more of like a pigtail style. It's not more of like a structured, messy bun style. I would certainly only wear my hair like this when I'm going for like a certain kind of undone Sunday afternoon wearing a cute pink tracksuit look. That's just me, but it's fun. It feels very summer. I know it's not summer, it's winter right now, but I'm feeling summer hairstyle vibes. If you're not someone who uses texture powder, or you don't like texture powder and you're wanting to make these flop a little less, a good coating of stronghold hairspray once you have them where you like them will definitely help. But There we go. That is part 7 of Satin Scrunchie Hairstyles that are perfect for your thin, fine hair. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this gives you another fun style to try. And if you've never tried space buns, give them a try on you before you decide if you don't like them. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or just say hey, because I love to hear from you guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. I will see you next time. Bye.